AI, the buzzword of the century. It's everywhere, from self-driving cars to predictive algorithms in retail. But what does this mean for our economy? Well, buckle up, because we're diving deep into the impact of AI on our financial landscape. Picture this: AI-driven robots in manufacturing, increasing efficiency but reducing the need for human labor. Algorithms in retail predicting trends better than any human could. Even in creative fields like music and art, AI is pushing boundaries we never thought possible. But let's talk about the elephant in the room: jobs. McKinsey predicts up to 800 million jobs could be automated by 2030. That's a staggering number of people potentially needing to pivot their careers. Yet, on the flip side, AI is also creating new job opportunities, particularly in tech and AI maintenance. For businesses, AI is a game changer. Those who embrace it can outperform their competitors, but those who resist risk falling behind. It's a double-edged sword, offering both innovation and disruption. So, is AI destroying the economy or reshaping it? The answer lies somewhere in between. AI can displace jobs, but also boost productivity and create new economic avenues. The key is how we navigate this transition. Education, reskilling programs, and thoughtful regulation are crucial in harnessing AI's power while mitigating its risks. We must ensure that the benefits are shared widely and that workers are not left behind in this technological revolution. Economists and business leaders agree, AI has the potential to transform our economy, but it requires careful management. Companies that embrace AI will thrive, but the focus must be on ensuring that everyone benefits from this transformation. In conclusion, AI is a force to be reckoned with, presenting challenges and opportunities in equal measure. The future of our economy hinges on how we adapt to this new reality. By taking proactive steps, we can create an economy that works for everyone. Now, it's your turn to join the conversation. What are your thoughts on AI's impact on the economy? Share your insights in the comments below, and remember to like, share, and subscribe for more twists on the Twisted Financials.